Shingdingdings!
No!
There's no dirt.
Yeah!
Any question?
We ate a Shingdingding. It was nice. We ate barbecued sausages and pork chops and
Watermelon.
we had so much watermelon. So much watermelon. And now the Shingdingding. There's a lot of people upstairs playing poker.
Yeah, that's why I go to bed. I'm not gonna just sit there and watch people play poker.
Hey, yo! I'm on my way to work in the city, and I'm working at a festival, which is freaking cool! I get to work at Laneway and hand out stuff. So I'm gonna go to the train station now, catch my train, and enjoy the sweet sounds. Okay! Okay, bye! So currently it's 20 to 12 and me and Aisha are gonna spend a night in the car and
Slash the park.
Spending
a night in the car doesn't sound that exciting.
and have an adventure. So we're gonna update you on our journey. Okay, bye. The cool park and look at all the frickin' sheep. Why? Some fine quality New Zealand lamb right there.
At the moment, we're going to McDonald's drive-thru.
Chicken McBites, here we come.
Bites.
Hit my car. It's being crazy.
I'm gonna get just chicken McBites.
What the fuck? I don't know what's going on with my car. Who can I text?
I don't know what's going on. I don't notice what's going bad. I'm not really focused.
It's like randomly revving. I don't know who else to text. No, it's not fucking starting.
Okay, just breathe. Just think about how funny this is. Our car just broke down in the middle of the drive-thru. Our car, what, your car? Just, we'll let it take a break for a bit. If anyone asks what's going on, they can help us out.
Okay, it started. Yeah, and second order,
Just chicken McBites.
chicken McBites
And a medium fries.
and medium fries. You don't do what, sorry? What do you want then?
I just want the fries.
Okay, just...
Why don't they do chicken McBites?
After 11, that's silly. I need my wallet.
Ew, fuck McDonald's. Never coming here.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
That was the scariest noise you could ever make in your life.
That's why I keep... If you could have a superpower, what would it be?
Pause time. Because you could steal so much shit. You just pause time, walk in, take it, leave, and then just start time again.
And no one would ever know it was gone.
So I'm pretty sure cameras wouldn't get you if you pause time.
You'd never have to pay for anything a day in your life.
So we made it to our next destination.
You can tell them where we are.
I was just gonna let you guess where we are. No, we went to we're at Mission Bay. We look like fucking shit and we're so tired. But you know, we've got pillows and blankets
And shit.
and bugs biting our faces. But we have the subtle sounds of the waves crashing against the shore.
What the fuck? And the sounds of drunk people yelling just down a bit.
But it's great and it's gonna be a good night. So we're gonna rest.
So we're gonna sleep here? There's like some security people right there.
I think they clean the toilet.
Yeah, I feel like we should just go sleep after they leave, so if they're like, you can't sleep here, we'll just be like, no, we're just chilling. Come back down.
Can't for me. Yeah, so. Wow, that's us. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
So me and Natasha are having this real peaceful sleep on the grass. It was really nice. Just chilling, relaxing. I was asleep. Then the fucking sprinklers came on. We got the blankets got so drenched. So that was a great experience.
That's so like typical what you'd see in a movie.
Yeah.
Though. Like, why the fuck are sprinklers coming on 3 in the morning? Who knows?
Hey. So since the sprinklers were a bit of a fuck up, we're gonna go back to Como Park and spend the night with the sheep because we're frickin' tired and want to have a snooze. Why am I talking like a man? So we've made it to Mission Bay. I mean, to Como Park. Oh, I'm so tired. We've got our nice setup. We've got our blankets and our pillows.
It's actually surprisingly cold.
And we're in a car. I don't know if you can see it. It's really comfy, so we're gonna sleep for an hour or two
Yeah,
and then walk up to the summit.
and watch the sunrise.
See you in the AM.
Kitty key.
Oh wait! Yay! Fab 5! Going to Kitty Falls in
Well,
the
that's what we
rain,
think it's called,
having a picnic.
based on Google research.
And this lovely weather.
Yes,
It's
this good
delightful.
weather.
We'll keep you updated. So we're sailing around, gotta kiss myself, so pretty. I'm so right, hot day.
You too sexy, beautiful.
Looking at you.
I'm starting to think you want here too.
So we made it to the falls and we just got out of the car and like started walking. Didn't even take anything. And then we got there and it was so pretty and it was raining and wet, but you know, whatever. And then we were like, let's swim, but we didn't have our towels. So I volunteered and I walked back and got them. But it's not just like a walk, it's like a 20-minute walk. Yeah, so it's like, that was awkward because there was a whole bunch of people that walked past. So it's like a 20-minute walk. So I walked back, got the stuff. Now I'm walking back to meet them. We're gonna have a swim in the waterfall. But it's raining and it's like freaking icy cold water, so YOLO! Having a picnic at the beach. Yeah. Nom nom nom.
You look dumbass bitch, I ain't fucking with you. I got a million trillion things I'd rather fucking do than to be fucking with you. Little stupid ass, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a fuck, bitch. I don't give a fuck about you or anything that you do. Don't give a fuck about you or anything that you do.
Okay, bye.